What's up everyone, and for this week I'm gonna pack my stuff because I'm gonna go on a trip. And for this week the trip is gonna go to Spain. And it's gonna be amazing. My aunt is there for a really long period. And I'm gonna go there. And I'm flying on Monday morning. My plane leaves around 7 AM, so I have to be at the airport at 5 AM or something like that. So this week's video is pretty much about how to pack your stuff, what to count for and what to remember when you pack your stuff for a flight and a trip. So there are a few things you can do to make packing your stuff easier. First, you need to make a list, a vacation list of all the stuff you will need, and make various lists for a 1 week trip, 2 weeks, a month, or wherever you plan to go. That's tip number 1. And make a list so you can mark off your list the stuff you've put in your bag, or so you won't forget anything. That's really important. And the next thing you want to do is research the place. Where you're going, what's out there. Search Instagram on the name of the place, hashtag wherever you're going. So search for photos what other people have made, and so you have an idea of what's around there. And maybe there's a photo in there and you think by yourself, damn, that's a beautiful place, that's an awesome photo, I want one. I want my own version. So now you know where it's taken. So message the person who uploaded the photo and ask them where it exactly is. What time of day did I take the photo? Maybe it's more beautiful at another time of day. So that's your own, then you can create your own version of that photo. So do this for multiple places and things. Is there anyone in your knowledge that you know that has been there and maybe knows there's a trip? Maybe there's a guide tour of sightseeings in that area. And if you know, yeah, you can plan ahead. You can plan your days. I'm gonna go on a 5-day trip from Monday to Friday, and I planned for myself. Monday, when I arrive, I'm flying really early, so when I arrive, the rest of the day I'm gonna do absolutely nothing. Maybe just vlogging or recording my days, but not particularly going out and taking photos and exploring. And that's so my plan is for Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday are the 3 days I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna take photos, make videos and just explore the environment. That would be really awesome. And Friday, the day I leave at the evening, so I have a whole day. And Friday also is a day where I'm gonna do absolutely freaking nothing, because that's vacation. That's where your free time is for. Do nothing. Expect nothing. Just lay on your ass with a cocktail or a beer, just what you prefer. So that's my planning of my 3 days. And in my 3 days of action, I'm gonna try to take a sightseeing tour. I don't know if I will succeed in that because they're a little bit difficult to find. I asked my aunt and she said I don't really know if there's any in this area, because she never saw an advertisement for one or heard anyone talk about a little tour. So that's something I will experience when I'm there. The whole trip is a little bit of a surprise trip. It will be great and awesome. I will really enjoy my time there because it's just another environment, another place, and not being at home all the time and stressing about work, and also make videos besides work and that kind of stuff. There is a possibility that next week's video won't going live because if I have a whole bunch of really amazing footage, I don't want to slam it together in just 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, and upload it on Sunday. And that's something I don't want to do. I don't want to rush into my mini travel film or photo segments or photo gallery of that trip. I don't want to rush in. I want to deliver you great stuff, so maybe that's a week off. 1 week, and after that week I'm gonna be uploading every week from that, just like every week normally. So this is going on. Right now I'm gonna pack my bag So until I'll be back, please like this video, share it with your friends, hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any future videos and you won't miss the update about this trip. I'm gonna do my best to make this an awesome trip video trip. You get the point. So until then, I'm gonna see you in the next video.